In this video, we're going to show you how to install spark plugs on a Toyota Camry located on the top portion of the engine. With the hood open, go ahead and locate the engine cover. I'm going to go ahead and lift straight up on this here. Wiggle that up and out, set that aside. We're going to use an 8mm socket to loosen and remove the bolt on the top of the ignition coil right here. Now just to the right of this one here, you have 3 more coils, 1, 2, and 3. Underneath those are your spark plugs. Remove that bolt, set it aside. Now there is an electrical connector right here. We're going to pinch on the tab on the back side and pull that off. Just hold that coil in place. Grab that coil, gently twist and pull upward. We're going to use our 14mm deep socket and our extension and drop this down inside. Use our ratchet. Once you feel that spark plug loosen up, go ahead and spin that. Now if you don't have a spark plug socket, and what that means is basically there's a rubber boot on the inside of that spark plug, inside the socket, what's going to happen is you're going to pull this out and you're not going to have the spark plug on the end. Grab a piece of vacuum hose or fuel line, press it down inside, press it on top of that spark plug, and we should be able to pop that out. Now you never want to go ahead and just drop this down inside. If you bend over the ground strap there on your spark plug, you're going to end up with a drivability problem and probably a check engine light. Grab that piece of hose, press it down and on, make sure it's holding it pretty well, lower it down, and then go ahead and start threading that in. Now once you get it caught a couple threads, you can go ahead and pull the hose off. And then we'll get our socket and our extension in there and snug it down. Now you want to be careful not to over tighten this. The torque specification on the spark plugs is 15 foot-pounds. If you over tighten it, you can strip out the cylinder head. And take the ignition coil, lower this down in a position. Push it down, make sure that it is fully seated. Go ahead and get our bolt started here. I like to go ahead and thread these down as far as I can by hand, and then we'll just come back with our ratchet and just gently snug this down. Once that bottoms out, just give it a little bit more. Make sure it's snug. Grab the electrical connector, line this up, push it on. I want to go ahead and repeat this process for the other 3. Once you're all set, go ahead and grab the engine cover. Simply, I like to go ahead and line up the port for the oil fill cap. And that pretty much automatically lines up the cover. Gently press it down, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.